Okay, so here's my computer. It is very old. I don't even remember when was the last time I set up this hardware. It is a very long time. Say 8 years, 9 years, or maybe 10 years. I don't even remember. So uh, maybe the suitable solution is just to buy a new one. But the problem is the programs and the Windows and my files and my things on this computer, it is going to be very difficult to be transferred to another computer, especially I don't have enough time. So uh, maybe the only solution is to look for upgrade for this computer, or let's say more correctly, the possible maximum possible upgrades, because it is old and I'm sure many of its hardware is already discontinued and you cannot find it and you cannot find any parts for it. So let's go ahead and check the system information. Okay, so here is what we bought from the market. A processor. This is an i7 processor, but it's not new at all. Okay, it is not new, but it is working, as the guy said. And the point is it going to work in this motherboard? Because I don't know about Intel. Sometimes in some processors, they require that you actually also change the motherboard. So if we are lucky enough, this is going to be our substitute for today. If it works, then good. If it works, that's it. We are going to have a very, very fast and giant beast computer. I hope so. So this is Intel i7 for, I don't know. Let's see. I'll show you. So we'll see it later. Okay, so now we have a process. Number two, I also bought a wireless USB adapter that can actually receives 5 gigahertz, says here. So from 2.4 gigahertz data rate from 150 megabyte per second to 200 megabytes for 33% fastest performance. Choose the 2.4 gigahertz band for surfing and social media, and it chose 5 gigahertz band for HD streaming and large free game. I hope. So this one now is what we are going to use for our network. Okay, instead of the previous one. Okay, here we are. Okay, good, very good. And it has a driver, TP-Link. Good, very good. That's the issue, that's the point. Okay, that's it. Here it is. Okay, I'm really excited, and I hope the processor will work. Okay. Number third, we found and we brought two beautiful DDR3 random access memories of 8 gigabytes each. That's good, see? 8 gigabytes each. So, in total we have 16 gigabytes on that. That's good. All right, so let's go ahead and check the two processors as the first step. Okay, here it is. 1, 2, 3. Is that going to work? No. I'm worried. Huh? Made a mistake or something? My God. It really worked. I think we missed. Yes. Yes. Complete success. Okay, that's really good. Very good.